case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1959, a dispute between a union and a business owner launched a seminal case in labor law, San Diego Building Trades Council v. Garmon, that reached the highest corridors of U.S. judicial power. At the heart of the dispute was the refusal of the business owner to employ exclusively union members, a decision that prompted the union to peacefully protest using practices such as picketing and pressuring suppliers. When the conflict reached courtrooms, the tactics of the unions were deemed an unfair labor practice. The case ascended to the California Supreme Court, which determined the business owner was entitled to damages and prohibited further union picketing. However, this decision was to be overturned. The conflict between state and federal law became central to the case. Asserting its authority, the National Labor Relations Board, NLRB, declined jurisdiction, intimating that the matter fell under its exclusive competence. The California Supreme Court disagreed, assuming authority over the dispute. With federal and state jurisdictions entwined, the case was elevated to the Supreme Court. The higher court vacated the judgment of the California Supreme Court, ruling decisively that federal labor law preempts state law when industrial relations are in question. The court took the position that states could not regulate activities potentially subject to federal regulation to avoid a conflict with national labor policy. Thus, the Supreme Court declared California's decision to award damages to the business and restrict union activity as beyond the state's jurisdiction, leaving any potential rulings about such activities to the sole discretion of the NLRB. The state of California, the Supreme Court ruled, had no compelling interest to regulate conduct that falls under the exclusive jurisdiction of the NLRB. Therefore, even where a state might seek to provide compensation for past harm, it must yield to the overarching authority of federal regulations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.